Hello, everyone.
So that was our little dance party. That's the first one thing that we're going to be doing tonight. So we hope to see you next time in the next short on Braden Klink,
My channel.
his channel.
Shout out to Ice Police.
And shout out to Elemental Plays.
Which is him. He's shouting himself out. Also, it's going to be Nicotine Plays for me. See you guys.
And it's going to be Laser Plays. Make sure to check out his channel soon.
Yup.
See you
He'll
guys in
come
the next
in
one. We
under
got
a
some
year.
See ya, boys.
pretty funny videos. Bye.